Alright guys, how we feel about another unboxing video? This is all coming from Tiya at Bay Gemstone Imports, another local Seattle company. I think the elephant in the room is this fish. So this is Tiya at Bay, another woman-owned company, and she travels the world looking for the most interesting gems. She and I have very similar tastes, and what I love about Tiya is her gemstones that she chooses are always really super on trend. But check out this amazing hand-carved watermelon tourmaline fish. This is so rad. It is 55 carats. Stunning. I'll just set you over there, Mr. Fishy. Alright, what else we got? Oh yeah. I love these. So, these are Garnet hand-carved Garnic Cabochons. But what's interesting about them is that they're actually hollow in the back. So that's nice. For earrings, they're going to be nice and light. Could even maybe put a pearl. Ooh, wouldn't that be cool? Okay, we put a pearl in the back and the garnet in the front, and then hang that from an earring. Okay, you guys, I have ideas already. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Okay. Speaking of carvings and unusual things, this is a large piece of citrine, freeform, not your grandmother's fantasy cut. This is a completely different piece. Completely hand carved. Absolutely wonderful faceting. Look at that. Love it. That guy is 46 carats, almost 47 carats. Set him there. What else? Okay, cool. I think this might actually end up being my gemstone, but we'll see. This is a black Spinel. Spinel is a sister stone to Sapphire, and comes in lots of different colors, but sometimes you get it in the black. Nice fingerprints there. But what I'm going to do with this one is set it like a rose cut, so you've got the points upright. Well, the video's not doing that one as much justice as I would like, but I think it's pretty killer. Speaking of Spinel, grays and black and gem are really, really popular right now. Tiya has brought in a ton of gray and black Spinel, and this piece is just killer. Check that out. So it's a kite cut. Spinel is great for rings. It's super hard, similar in hardness to Sapphire, and very, very wearable. Just beautiful in that super on-trend gray. I always joke that gray is my favorite color. But it kind of is. Okay, here's a gemstone you don't see very often. This is a gemstone called Heliodore. And Heliodore is actually in the beryl family. When it is pink, it is morganite. When it is blue, it's aquamarine. When it is green, it is emerald. And when it is yellow, it's Heliodore, named for the sun. And I have a matched pair of these really pretty Heliodore kind of shield cut gems. Let's get you in focus, buddy. There you are. Be killer on either side of a ring, but it would also be really great earrings. Love them. All right, oh, these are cool. Okay, so some gemstones have really unique optical properties, aquamarine being one of them, where we get these what's called mirror cuts. So if you line up the facets just right in the gemstone, you can get basically a mirror effect rather than seeing through the gemstone. Even though the gemstone is perfectly clear, you get this cool mirror effect. And so this is a matched pair of aquamarines that have this mirror effect cut. Super neat. And it'll be interesting to compare these against the ones that I got from Idar Oberstein. The ones in Idar Oberstein have a really super high clarity. They're also a lot more money. But there's still, I think, some real interesting visual interest to these gems. I don't think that they always have to be perfectly clear. Inclusions give personality, and we like that. All right, this guy is what's called a party color sapphire. So sapphires are naturally occurring, and sometimes more than one color in the sapphire at a time. Let's get this guy in focus here. And so as I turn the gem, you're going to see stripes of yellow within the blue gemstone. Definitely something I think you can see a little bit easier in person. But yeah, you can see what's called zoning. You can see little zones of blue and yellow. That one's really pretty. What else do I have? Ooh, I've got a couple of the black Spinel in the diamond cut. Those are pretty special. Oh, yeah. Don't show my mom this. She's going to want it. Blue sapphire. Phenomenal color. Super cool cut. Absolutely beautiful. What else we got? Oh, yeah. So I love going to Tiya's, and I always come back to the store with something I wasn't sent up for. But that's the joy of it, right? This is why we're having a gem sale, because we buy things because we like them and they're pretty. Okay, so another party color sapphire. This one you can clearly see the yellow striping and the blue. So the overall effect you get is just a really cool kind of color combination. And last but not least, these really cool hexagonal shaped gray Spinel that when they're cut, they give a killer optical effect. Let's see if you can get that. Yeah, there you go. You see that? So rad. Really nice mid-tone gray. Not too much green, not too much purple, just a really nice solid gray. And then such an interesting cutting. So I have a matched pair of those. I think that is going to be one of our last unboxing videos. Now I got my work cut out for me today, getting everything displayed and getting some of these items up on our website. If there's anything in particular you want me to see after watching the unboxing videos and you say, hey, I want that up on the website so I can purchase it because I can't come down to Seattle, please let me know what you saw and what you want me to get put up on the website. And otherwise we will be doing some more pictures and that kind of thing. So good stuff from Tiya at Bay. Thanks.